This is Twit.
Now, bad actors who want to muck up an election can do plenty of harm without tampering with voter rolls or voting machines. In fact, business email compromise, social media hijacking, and even access to city cameras and traffic signals can cause enough trouble to influence voters and election results. Now, at RSA 2020 this past week, Cyber Reason assembled a group of journalists and of other conference attendees to be in the red team. Now, in charge of basically creating just about enough chaos to cause residents of a fictional city called Adversaria to doubt the results of a fictitious election. Now, did they do it? Well, police officers and city officials led the blue team, defended the election, and responded to deep fake videos and social media takeovers. Now, the 90-minute session represented Election Day, with each round covering 3-hour segment of the day. Now, the red team got a list of capabilities at the start of the game, which included both city cameras, traffic control systems, local news broadcasts, and emergency warning systems. In each 5-minute rounds, the red team could take 2 actions and set another task in motion that could develop into a new attack vector. Now, the red team called in a bomb threat to a busy convention center, created deepfake videos of election workers throwing out ballots, turned off the traffic control system in certain districts, and sent false news reports to the TV station about polling places closing down. Get this. After all of that, the blue team successfully defended the elections and minimized chaos. However, what does this mean is what we need to do is strengthen those emergency response teams and beef up proactive security measures for weak systems, even in small towns. Now, let's hope some of the learnings at RSA can help local governments and big elections at least prepare for the worst and survive.